Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you these beautiful bucket hats with that Jasmine stitch. I love this stitch and it's so easy. It's looking this flower looking. I like it very much. Hope you will like. I use same quality of yarn. I give all the details in the video, but I use in this hat 4mm hook, in this hat 5mm hook. So it comes a little big. You can see that it's for adult size and it's nearly turn all around this head 58 centimeter. This is 52 centimeter nearly. You can change your hook number and you can make your head more bigger or more smaller. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful bucket hat with Jasmine stitch. Let's start to crochet. We will start our Benny with magic ring. Grab my yarn, chain 1 and not count that, insert into the same space and make here 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Pull that yarn tightly and close that hole. 2, 4, 6. Insert into the sixth one and grab these two yarns together and close that hole. Then you will put here a marker or a yarn which you want. I will put it here. Insert into the first and make 2 single crochet here. 1 and 2. Insert into the next, make 2 single, 1 and 2. Insert into the next, 1, 2. Insert into the next, 1, 2. Last 2, make 2 single crochet in every each stitch, and you will increase your circle 6 to 12 stitches here. I come to my start point. Take my yarn and put it here, or you can use a marker here. Make your control 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Insert into the first one. We will keep increasing. I will make 1 single crochet, 1 stitch. Next stitch 2 single crochet. Third one 1, fourth one 2, fifth one 1, sixth one 2. Here 1, next one 2, next one 1, after that 2, next one 1, last one 2. At the end of the third round I will have 18 single crochet. Take my yarn and put it here. You will increase your stitches like that until you have 72 single crochet. This time we will make 1 single, next one 1 single, next one 2 single, 1 stitch, 1 single, the second one 1 single, the third one 2 single, first one 1 single, the second one 1 single, the third one 2 single. At the end of that fourth round you will have 24. I will write the chart here. You will increase your single crochets like that until you have 72. After that round you will make 1 1 1 2. After that 1 1 1 1 4 times, fifth 1 2. After that 5 times 1 single crochet, the sixth 1 2. Okay, here you can see the chart. You will increase your circle like that until you will have 72 single crochet. I will increase mine and turn to you. I increase top of my head until 72 stitch I have. I have 72 stitches. Now this round I will make a single crochet in every each stitch. I will put here again a marker here. Then not make any increase, make single crochet in every each stitch. 1 2 3 4 5. I will turn all around and make 72 single crochet and turn to you. I come to end and this is 72. Insert into the first and join with a slip stitch and complete the round and take off this marker. Now we will start our pattern. Chain 1 and not count. Okay, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab your yarn, lose it, yarn over, insert into the same, grab your yarn and lose it. You have 5 loops. Yarn over and skip 1 stitch, insert into the next one, grab your yarn, 1, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab your yarn, 2. You have 1 2 3 4 5 here, 9 loops. Hold this tail, grab this yarn and pull through all of them. Then insert your hook from this space, grab your yarn and lock it. Chain 1. Then a little lose your loop, yarn over, insert into that center, grab your yarn, 1, yarn over, insert into the same, 2, yarn over, insert into here, 1, yarn over, insert into the same, 2, yarn over, skip 1 stitch, come to the second one, 1, yarn over and 2. We will count that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Hold this tail, grab your yarn and pull through all of them. Then insert your hook from which you hold here, grab your yarn and close that hole and chain 1. Again I will show you. Yarn over, insert into that center, 1 and 2, yarn over, come to here, 1 and 2, yarn over, skip 1, insert into next one, 1 and 2. You have 13 loops. Hold this tail, hold this yarn, grab this yarn, pull through all together and hold it, insert your hook this space, grab your yarn and close that loops and chain 1. One more time I will show you. Yarn over, insert into that center, 1, yarn over, insert into the same, 2, yarn over, insert here, 1 and 2, yarn over, skip 1, insert into the next, 1 and 2, hold it, grab your yarn, pull through all together, insert your hook that hole, grab your yarn and chain 1. You will keep crochet as same. When you come to the end, I will turn to you. I come to end and you can see here every 2 puffs we close. Now here 1 2 and we need to close here. So yarn over, insert into center and make my puff. Hold it like that, insert my hook that hole and come to this center, join with a slip stitch, chain 1, start to second round, yarn over, insert into that hole 1 and 2, and make a puff here again, hold it like that, chain 1, yarn over, insert into same center, grab my yarn 1 and 2, yarn over, insert into next center 1 and 2. I have 2 puffs, hold it like that, pull through all together, insert my hook that hole, grab my yarn and chain 1, yarn over, insert into same center. I will show you one more time, 1 and 2, yarn over, come to next center, 1 and 2, hold it, grab my yarn, pull through all together, insert that, hold space, grab my yarn and chain 1. You can see that we finish our flower. Yarn over, same center, 1 and 2, yarn over next center, 1 and 2, 2 puffs loops, hold this yarn, grab my yarn, pull through all together, insert my hook that hold center, grab my yarn, make slip stitch, then chain 1. Turn all around like that, come to end, I will turn to you. I complete the round and you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every flower has 6 puff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need here make 1 more puff. Yarn over, insert into that center, 1 and 2, hold this yarn, pull them, insert that circle, make a slip stitch, locked with chain 1, come to that top of that puff, join with a slip stitch. So we complete that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's it. Now we will make single crochet in every each stitch. Chain 1 and knot count, insert into the same. 1, 2, here 1 in that stitch, 1 in space, 3 in the stitch, 4 in the space, 5 in the space, in the stitch, 6 space, 7 stitch, 8. Okay, 1 in the space, 1 in the stitch. At the end of this round you will have 72 single crochet. I complete and turn to you. I make my 72 single crochet and it gets its form, you can see that, and make 1 slip stitch. Now we will repeat the first round of our flower. Chain 1 and knot count, I will show you, then you will repeat 1, 2 and 3 rounds 2 more times. Yarn over, insert into the same, grab your yarn, yarn over, insert into the same, grab your yarn, yarn over, skip 1, insert into the next stitch and make a puff here, then hold this yarn, pull through all together, insert your hook that space, grab your yarn and make a slip stitch, chain 1, lose a little, yarn over, insert into the center, make a puff, yarn over, insert into this stitch and make a puff, yarn over, skip 1, insert into the next stitch, make a puff. You have 13 loops, pull through all together, insert your hook that space, grab your yarn, make a slip stitch and chain 1. Then do the same thing. You will repeat the first, the second and the third round 2 more times, totally 6 rounds. I will complete mine after turn to you. I crochet that 3 rounds, 3 set. Okay, 9 rounds I crocheted. I finished with single crochet round. Now we will make single crochet part. For that I will write here which rounds I will repeat that. First of all, I will show you the first round. After you can use that rules for your next rounds using that rules. Chain 1 and knot count, insert into the same stitch, grab my yarn and make my single crochet. 1, next one, 2, next one, 3, next one, 4, next one, 5. When you come to the sixth one, make 2 single crochet in that stitch, 1 and 2. Next one, 1, 2, next stitch, 3, next, 4, next, 5. I come to the sixth one, make 2. This round like that. After that round you will crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you come to the seventh one, make 2 single crochet. You can see here. After that you will crochet 7 stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When you come to the eighth one, make 2. After that crochet 8 stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you come to the ninth one, make 2 single crochet in that stitch. You can see here. You will make your increases in 4 rounds like that. After that round you will make 1 single crochet in every each stitch. Make 2 rounds like that. I complete after 30. I complete 2 rounds my single crochet. Come to the end, I will show you. Join with a knot count, that chain 1, join with a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut my yarn. Then hide my tail. And we finished. I hope you like it. I complete my head. You can see that I make my increases 5 single, 1 double, 6 single, 1 double, 7 single, 1 double, 8 single, 1 double, 9 single, 1 double, and 2 rounds, 1 single crochet in every each stitch. I write this chart here. You can repeat it like that. I hope you like it. I crocheted 4 millimeter and I crocheted 5 millimeter. Same yarn, different color and using different hooks. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.